doing, Stormtrooper? Who taught you to do that? Jonah Bear.
Yeah.
Who taught you to do that?
Purple Brian.
I'm sorry, who?
Purple Brian.
He taught you to do what? Yeah. Did he teach you that too?
No.
No, that's you.
Yeah, that's what.
When did he teach you that?
Yesterday to this morning when we were on our trip.
When we were on our trip? Show me again what he taught you. Is that what he taught you?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I just made that do what?
Oh, yeah.
Daddy's going to be home anytime.
That's right.
Daddy's almost home.
He's almost home.
But where is he?
He's driving.
No, he's at work.
Is that him?
No.
Okay.